You're so funny. Thanks, Cindy. Brendan, really great to hear from you. I work in a similar role for a SaaS-based company. We're not
Okay.
manufacturing, but we are heavy in the oil and gas,
Okay.
heavy industrial, heavy asset industrial space. So our marketing department is only like a year old. So have you found with a lot of your customers that they don't have like their ICP or their personas defined? Have you seen that a lot, or
Um, I think
because I feel
most
like, yeah, like I love all the tailored content. We're like in a space where like, well, we need to build content, number one, and then do we build that content around specific personas like procurement,
oh, sure.
IT, stuff like that. So have you found like that is a strategy y'all have used?
Yeah, I think our clients know for know pretty well like who is the one that is in the buying committee that can be the champion.
Mm-hmm.
Um, like a lot of them like we typically sell to a manufacturing engineer first. There's a lot of people that come into the buying committee right as the project gets rolling, right? Procurement will come in or buyers will come in. Some operation manager, maybe a maintenance manager will come in. But usually for most of our clients it starts at the engineering level, right? Somebody's trying to design something and they
Mm-hmm.
need to solve a problem, or like they're trying to build a manufacturing line. Like, okay, I need to like do this certain thermal processing, I need an oven. So it usually starts with some sort of engineer for us. And usually, like, so our typically what our strategy is we only market to that person that could be the champion. Because
Mm-hmm.
there's not enough money for us and not enough resources to market to the entire buying committee. So really it's just like, let's market to that champion and give them the information so they can go and build out a project and bring in the purchasers and bring in, the decision makers. That's typically where we'll start. If you have a large marketing budget, sure, then you can maybe start like, here's our articles and case studies to procurement and to manufacturing engineers and then to the owners. But it's like, man, it's hard to do when you got a handful of thousands of dollars. So really, I think just spending a lot of time figuring out like who is going to actually be your buying champion. That usually that first person that reaches out to you, and arming them with that good content to help them make a good decision to move the project along. Once it gets into the sales cycle, and then use your sales team to message then to the procurement, to the leadership. I think the marketing job is just kind of get the foot in the door and let sales kind of expand out from